Rent a car rental car honest review. Watch before using. Most people think rental cars are all the same, but you won't believe what happens next when fees appear. Rent a car is a budget rental company with locations worldwide. The surprising truth is that often offers lower base prices than premium brands. Most people get this wrong. They forget about insurance, fuel, and mileage policies. Is best for budget-conscious travelers. The surprising truth is that low prices require careful reading. Subscribe for more honest rental car reviews that save you money.